Attention, WhatsApp users! A new and very helpful feature has been added to group chats. You can decide whether new members can see old messages before joining. To use this feature, open your group chat and go to Group Settings. After that, tap on the Group Permissions option. There, you will find a new setting called Send Message History. Simply turn it on if you want new members to see previous messages. After you enable this feature, whenever you add a new member to your WhatsApp group, you can choose if they can see old messages or not. This helps new members understand what was already discussed in the group and stay updated with everything. At the same time, if you don't want to share old conversations, you can keep those messages private by turning this option off. When adding a new member, you will see an option to decide whether they can see old messages or not. The best part is that you also get full control over how many previous messages you want to show to the new member. You have 4 different options to choose from. You can select the last 100 messages, 75 messages, 50 messages, or even just the last 25 messages. Here, I'm choosing the last 25 messages option. After selecting it, tap on the Done button. Then, tap on the Add Members button to add the person to the group. After that, tap on the Continue button to confirm that you are sending the message history. And that's it. Now, that person will only be able to see the last 25 messages in the group. This feature is super useful for private groups or groups with important chats. It protects old messages and still helps new members stay updated with what's currently going on in the group.